Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dara. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. Do well to check a couple other of my videos, and if you seem interested in me as a person, please definitely do hit on the red subscribe button and put on your notification bell so that you're notified every time it is that I drop a new video. If you're not following me yet on Instagram, why not just go ahead and follow me now? Okay, follow me on Instagram. All right. Okay, in today's video we're going to be doing something quite exciting. I'm going to be doing a styling of I don't even think I'm coordinating this for you guys. Okay, so let's do it like this. How many of you would easily guess that this top I am wearing is a scarf? It is a scarf that I turned into this beautiful piece of work. It could have actually been neater than this, but then I'm still going to redo it in this video. So in case you didn't know, what I'm wearing is a scarf that I styled in less than 2 minutes to a top that you can definitely wear out to places like the beach or casual hangouts with your friends. Some people can even wear this out. Imagine if there's like hot weather as there is right now. You can actually wear this and just have fun with your friends. If you'd like to know how I styled this scarf along with several other scarves in different styles that you can rock out at any point in time, then definitely do keep on watching, okay?
I tell you say I like you, but you reply me with emoji. I'm writing sweet songs for you, giving you melody. It be like say you don't want this, cause a lot of times you don't notice. So I'ma take a step back, but when I take a step back, you come they say you don't forget your girl, oh. You know they treat me well, oh. And I don't want to make your head swear, but I just want to say hello. So now you're getting me confused, cause my emotions have been bruised. And so you better speak up, cause I'm about to give up. And now they do this thing, oh. If you want me or not, oh, you better shoot your shot, oh, yeah. Make my phone they ring, oh. Call me, I see it hard, oh. You better shoot your shot, oh, yeah. Better shoot your shot, oh. Load up, pick the phone up. Just tell me what you want, oh. You better shoot your shot, oh. Load up, pick the phone up. Just tell me what you want, oh. You better shoot your shot, oh. And I'm running my race, cause I'm done with the chase. So girl, I don't tire, yeah. It's been so many days that I've been on your case, cause you're my desire. But you see, 2 months of a cold shoulder, I'm stressed out, I feel older. And now you don't come with your small talk, and you're running out of time, baby, TikTok, oh. Stop asking if I've eaten. Let's make it clear what you're hinting, cause I'm about to move on, so you got to make a move on me. Now they do this thing, oh. If you want me or not, oh, you better shoot your shot, oh, yeah. Make my phone they ring, oh. Call me, I see it hard, oh. You better shoot your shot, oh, yeah. Better shoot your shot, oh. Load up, pick the phone up. Just tell me what you want, oh. You better shoot your shot, oh. Load up, pick the phone up. Just tell me what you want, oh. You better shoot your shot, oh.
So guys, for this particular style, it's better if this scarf is longer, you get, so that you can wrap it around you to the back and then tie it at the back and tuck it in under the back. It also gives you a little bit more length if you desire.
about you, I'm thinking, it's like I'm losing my mind. Do you know you've got me going crazy every single time you call me baby? It's my favorite line, and I stop and play. Oh yeah, baby, love me, jaja.